Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard jelly candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, and your chosen flavorings and colors. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer and a greased, parchment-lined pan. Accurate measurements are crucial for success, so have everything ready before you begin cooking. Next, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. Continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key for the right texture. Once your syrup reaches temperature, remove it from the heat. In a separate bowl, bloom your gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes until it softens. Stir the bloomed gelatin into the hot syrup until it's fully dissolved. Now, quickly incorporate your desired flavorings and food coloring. Work swiftly, as the mixture will begin to set. Carefully pour the hot jelly mixture into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight until it's firm. Once set, invert the candy onto a cutting board. Use a sharp, oiled knife or cookie cutters to create your desired shapes, then coat them in sugar for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.